Hey guys, welcome to this Leading the Lean online training video on skills. Wanted to take a few minutes and do a basic introduction to our skills module and show you around a little bit. We'll get into the individual details about how skills module works in later videos. This is just an overview of how the skills module works. Very important that when getting ready to use the skills module in Leading the Lean, that you're already using the production module and that you're already using the document centers. All of the documents, all of the skills that we use are based off of documents. So standardized work instructions, technical work instructions, QA checklists, stuff like that, all has to be in the document center in order to work for the skills. The skills that are set up in the skills module, but they actually have to attach to documents in the document center. Also important that you're using the production module, because this is where we understand what skills the operators actually need in order to run the production lines. So if I go to an operator portal, you'll see that when I go into the production line and I check into the production line like an operator would do on the operator portal, immediately the system bounces against the skills for that line and tells me what training I need and where I need to be by clicking you agree and acknowledge that you've been trained. So I can go in here and I can actually disagree. I don't believe that I've been trained for this one and I've been trained for this one. So I can save that and that will update my training records. And my trainer will actually look at it and then determine. So you can see down here where the requirements for this production line bumping against the skills module is actually telling me that I don't have any training. So I'll need to go in and make sure that I have training for them. So the skills module is basically that. You can go through and identify the skills that you need within your factory, tie them to particular production lines. You can look at the revision history. You can also look at the user skills. So you can take a look at the skills by person, and you can see here where I have two skills, one where I'm an apprentice, the other one where I'm a master, where I've already agreed to that. I can see that my trainer, who my trainer is on there. And then I can go to each line and look at the lines and determine what is the skill level needed in order to run that production line. I can set my own skill levels. All of these are customizable for Leading the Lean, and you can go in and give these levels any name that you want and put as many levels as you want when it comes to your training levels inside of your factory. You can put skills into separate categories, whether they be safety or standardized work or control plans or work instructions, whatever those are. You can categorize those and take a look at those. You can also put all the information in there for the trainers, so we can see the trainers that are inside of the system. I can see what lines those trainers work with. I can also see whether they're an active trainer or whether they're not an active trainer. Then I have my line users and my user skill matrix, so I can actually go into the production lines, take a look at it, and it will show me across the top the skills that are needed and then the users that are trained to actually perform those skills. So you can see right here why when we looked at the pitch board, why I came through and said that I needed training, because it has me in there as no training for this tuning skill. Okay, so that's a little bit about the skills module and how it actually works. And so go check out the other videos. We're going to go through and go in detail by detail and go through how to set this up and how the skills module works. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.